Drive Academy's YouTube video series, and welcome to our channel. Today we've got a 2021 A200 Mercedes AMG A-Class. Okay, this is if you're lucky enough again to have one of these as your driving test car, how do you open the bonnet? So again, German car, this time on this side. Underneath here is the lever, and it's tucked away here. Pull it nice and gentle. So this particular A-Class, here's the Mercedes sign. So directly above, you follow the line straight, your left hand lifting, giving a bit of leverage, stick your fingers in and push towards the left hand side. Push towards the left hand side. Here it is, it's color coded, in this case yellow, and again the bonnet hood is hydraulically operated, so you don't have to support it, but just keep an eye on that. Welcome to a 1.37 speed automatic AMG Mercedes A-Class engine. For your driving test purpose, where is the brake fluid reservoir? How would you know there's enough there? Here is your brake fluid reservoir. It needs to be between the minimum and maximum levels. Where is your engine coolant located? Here is your engine coolant reservoir, and again should be between the minimum and maximum levels. Where is your screen wash located? Here, again look at the symbol, it's there. We open and we keep that topped up with either screen wash, water, or a combination of the two, and make sure you have securely fastened that cap. That is your screen wash. That one's topped up, kept full. Now, this particular Mercedes engine does not have a dipstick, a physical dipstick. It has an electronic dipstick. So if the question is, how would you check where is your engine oil, how would you check for it? You can answer that this particular car has an electronic dipstick, but generally a standard answer would be pull the dipstick out, wipe it, put it back in, get a fresh reading, and it should be between the minimum and maximum levels. But this particular car doesn't have a physical dipstick, it's electronic. So you would have to control that and go through the option settings in the car cockpit. Once you are there, again as before, your radiator is here, your light bulbs are located here and here. There is a battery pack here and a connection for if the car has stalled, the battery's gone flat or whatever it is, here are your connectors. When you've got to drop this, remember, nice and gentle. We're not going to throw this down. We're going to place it nice and gently, and jobs are good. So we're in the Mercedes-Benz A200 2021 1.3 automatic 7-speed. A very, very technical, beautiful car. And as you can see, it's got a full electronic display. That's one complete unit. Here are all your iDrive and iDrive Mercedes command system, touchpad. These are all your navigation and settings and what have you. For your driving test purpose, so your left stalk, and this is very interesting because it's a little bit different than before. So very simply, we're going to work with the wipers first. If we twist here, these turn on the front wipers, okay? And as we continue to twist up and up and up, the wipers go faster and faster and faster. And these controls the front wipers. This control panel here, this control function, this controls the rear wipers. By pressing that once, it engages the rear wiper. There you go. By pressing this button, you'll get the screen wash at the back. Twisting as before turns on the front, and the buttons are for the rear wipers. The front wiper screen wash is operated by pressing this button. So if you hold it down, here's the screen wash, and those are your front and rear wiper controls. Naturally, up to go right and cancel, down to go left and cancel, and then we'll turn off the back ones. And if you just have a look, when you press this button, it turns on the rear wiper function. There it is. So you know that it's actually on. And it's on a slower pace. If you press it again, that turns it off. When you press this, that does a screen wash at the back. Job done. These are your left stalk. Now, the left stalk also has the full beams and dip beam selection function as well, but that needs to be worked with the buttons on the right hand side. Now let's see if we can get a good shot. Here we go. So again, it's operated using this twist function. Currently the lights are on automatic. When we twist it to the left, that turns on your side lights and tail lights. When we twist it to the right, these are your dipped lights. So now the dip lights are on. With the dip lights on, then you can bring your attention to that left stalk and push towards the car. When you push towards a car, here are your full beams. They have been activated. So deselect them. So push it again, and then that goes back to nighttime dip light. So that's how it's turned off. So on, off. And if you want to flash, you can just pull, keep on pulling it towards you, and it'll keep on flashing. And every time it's activated, you can see that it's switching blue, and then it goes back to green. When you're done with the lights, you can put them back to auto. Turn them on. Now we press that button, and here is the orange light here on top. There is your rear fog lights. They have been activated. So once again, rear fog lights are here, nighttime dip lights, and auto lights. And then we deselect by turning off the rear fog lights. Press it again, and that's gone. And we're going to twist it back to auto. Here, presto. The right hand stalk is Mercedes automatic gear stick. So P for parking, so we activate it by pressing it. Reverse, neutral, and drive. Up to go reverse, down, and then you operate it as you normally would. That's your gear stick. And the information is collected on the bottom right hand corner here. This is your Mercedes A200 controls. Now bringing our attention to the climate setting here. So your questions for your test: can you turn on your rear demister? Here it is. By pressing that button, it activates the rear demister. And to press it again to deselect, here is your front demister, the arch with the 3 lines. When you press that, that activates the front demister. And then you press it again to turn off, and then you can just turn everything off. This is your control system. Obviously temperature, etc., aircon, recycling, all that usually is there, but this is a climate control setting. And then naturally all your information is there, accessible. You can have a look there. Your hazard lights are located here. So when you press this, that triangle, it turns on your hazard lights. Again, you can check the indicators are all working. So this is a Mercedes A200 1.3 7-speed automatic.